Hello children, welcome back to the maths class of fractions. Children, I have divided this chapter into two halves. First half already I have taught you. Today I am going to teach you the second half. Come, let's join the class. Okay children, today I am going to teach you word problems of 4E. Yes, 4E question number 2. 3/4 of a class are in the drawing club. 2/3 of them are taking part in a drawing competition. What fraction of the class is taking part in the competition? Now children, what is the meaning of 3/4? Children, this is the fraction in words. This is 3/4 means 3/4. Children, how we will write 7/12 in words? 7/12 FTHs. See the spelling properly. This is the word form of fraction. Write in words fraction. Okay. Now let us come back to the question. Children, 3/4 of our class are in the drawing club. As because the fraction is given, we will start the statement with fraction of class in drawing club is 3/4. 2/3 of them, that means 2/3 of 3/4 are taking part in a drawing competition. Fraction of class taken part in drawing competition is equal to 2/3 of 3/4. Last class I have taught you of means into multiplication. 2/3 into 3/4. Now can you divide? Yes, 3 and 3 same, you can cut off, strike off. Now 2 is even number, 2 2s are 4. What answer you have got? This is 1/2. Answer is 1/2. Question is, what fraction of the class is taking part in the competition? Answer is 1/2. Yes children, next question is question number 3. Ayushri took 5/8 liter of orange juice to school. She drank 1/10 of it in the school. How many liters of orange juice did she drink? How much was left? Here children, you have to answer two questions. How many liters of orange juice did she drink and how much was left? As because the question is related to juice, that is liquid form, capacity, we will start the statement with quantity of juice brought by her 5/8 liter. Children, I am putting, while teaching, I am putting red ticks. You please don't tick in your classwork notebook. Now second sentence is quantity of juice drank by her is 1/10 of 5/8, because 5/8 quantity she brought in school is equal to 1/10 into 5/8. That is 5 2s are 10, 1 and 8 you cannot strike off. What is the answer? 1/16 liter. This much she drank. Now next question is, how much was left? Therefore, quantity of juice left is 5/8 liter, which she brought in school. 5/8 liter minus 1/6, 16 liter, which she drank, is equal to 10/16 liter minus 1/16 liter. How come this 16? Children, LCM of 8 and 16. As because 8 is the factor of 16, you will write directly. Make like fraction. 5/8 is 8 2s are 16, 5 2s are 10. 10/16 minus 1/16. Answer is 9/16. Answer 9/16. That means she drank 1/16 liter of juice and 9 and 16 by liter is left. Okay. Now let us go to the next question. Anjali uses 1/3 of a stick of butter in making sauce. She uses 5/8 of the remaining to make garlic bread? What fraction of the butter does she use in making the garlic bread? Children, this question is bit difficult. Why? Because here it is written Anjali uses 1/3 of a stick of butter. Okay. She uses 5/8 of the remaining. Children, we don't know actual quantity, but we have to find out the remaining part. This type of question, the leftover or remaining part, to find out this type of questions, we take the whole thing as 1. So, start the statement as let the whole stick of butter is 1. Yes, children? Fraction of butter used by Anjali is 1/3. It's given in the question. Now, how much is left? Fraction of butter left is 1 minus 1/3. 1 is a whole number. If you make it a fraction, it will be 1/1. Now 1/1 minus 1/3, make it like fraction. 3/3 minus 1/3 is 2/3. This is the remaining part. Okay. I have written fraction of butter left. So quantity used for making garlic bread is 5/8 of remaining part, that is 5/8 of 2/3 is equal to 5/8 into 2/3. Here 2 is even, you can divide 8 by 2. 8, 2 fours are 8 and 5 and 3 both are prime numbers. We can't divide. The answer is 5/12. Answer. What is the last line? What fraction of the butter does she use in making garlic bread? The answer is 5/12. Yes, children. Anjali uses, done. In Rohit's family, this is question number 8. In Rohit's family, 3/4 of the members wear glasses. Of those who do not wear glasses are male. What fraction of the family are males who do not wear glasses? Children, how will you do this? Now see, children. Let the full family be 1. Children, here family members are not given, total number of family members. But it is written 3/4 of the members wear glasses. Of those who do not wear glasses, once again the leftover number. We don't know the whole number. How to start the statement? Let the full family be 1. Portion of members using glasses is equal to 3/4. Therefore, portion of members not using glasses, you have to find out that number first, because next line is related to that. Of those who do not wear glasses are male. So we will find out portion of members not using glasses. 1 minus 3/4. 1 is once again 1/1. This is 4/4 minus 3/4. Like fraction, 4 minus 3/4 is 1/4. So portion of males not using glasses, 1/3 of 1/4. Children, it is written here in the question. Male, number of males are 1/3 of the remaining part. 1/3 of 1/4 is equal to 1/3 into 1/4. Answer is 1/12. You write answer as 1/12. Yes, next is division of fraction. Children, already I have taught you in class 4 what is division. Inverse of multiplication is division. Today I am going to teach you a new word, reciprocal. R-E-C-I-P-R-O-C-A-L, reciprocal. What is reciprocal? Reciprocals are number pairs that have the product 1. For example, 4/9 is a fraction. What is reciprocal of 4/9? 9/4. Here 4 is the numerator, 9 is the denominator. Reciprocal 9 becomes, the upper number comes down, lower number or denominator goes up, just opposite. Reciprocal of 4 by 9 is 9 by 4. Product is 4 by 9 into 9 by 4. 9 and 9, 4 and 4 cancel 1. Reciprocals are number pairs that have the product 1. Now if I ask you, what is the reciprocal of 100 by 101? The answer is 101 by 100. Clear, children? Next, exercise 4F, find the quotient. Children, here already division sums you have learnt with whole numbers. This is division of fractional numbers. 4 and half divided by 6. This is the way you read the question. Here 4 and half is the dividend. What is dividend? The number which is being divided. 6 is the divisor. Now children, 6 is a whole number. Its value is 6 by 1 if you write in fraction. Now this is in mixed fraction. You write it 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9 by 2 divided by 6 is equal to 9 by 2. Now see what you have to do in fractional division. Division, while doing division sums, what you all will do? Change the symbol division into multiplication and write the reciprocal of divisor. Here it is 6, as because you have removed this sign, division sign, now we will write 1 by 6. Am I clear? In fractional division, what you will do? Write the first number 9 by 2, it is here, into 6 has become 1 by 6, that is the reciprocal. Now what is the answer? 9 and 6, what is the common factor? 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Answer is 3 1s are 3 by 4. This is the answer. Now next number is 13. Question number 13 of 4F. 2 2 by 3 divided by 1 2 by 3. Now children, change them into improper. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 is 8 by 3 divided by 3 1s are 3 plus 2, 5 by 3 is equal to 8 by 3. First fraction remains as it is. The next one becomes, see, division sign is removed. I am writing multiplication sign. Now reciprocal of 5 by 3. Why reciprocal? Because I have taken away the division sign. 3 by 5, it becomes just the opposite when you write the multiplication sum. Now children, you can strike off 3 and 3. Here answer is 8 by 5 left. Now you cannot write the answer in improper form. Divide 8 by 5. 5 1s are 5. 3 remainder. 3 goes up. 5 or divisor comes down. The answer is 1 and 3 by 5. Now the next question. Exercise 4G word problems. Children, I hope while solving the word problems, you can learn more and more division sums. Question number 2. A teapot contains 4 by 7 liter of tea. The tea is poured equally into 8 cups. How much tea is there in each cup? Children, I hope all of you are holding the book. Please read the question once again. Okay. Now see, the second part is the tea is poured equally into 8 cups. Children, poured equally, distributed, given away, all these things means division equally. Now we will start the statement as quantity of tea, because tea is liquid form. Quantity of tea in the pot is 4 by 7 liter. Number of cups in which the tea is poured equally is 8. Quantity of tea in each cup is 4 by 7 divided by 8. 8 is whole number, is equal to 4 by 7 into reciprocal of 8 is 1 by 8. is equal to 4 2s are 8. Children, 1 by 14 liter. Write the unit. The question ends with how much tea is there in each cup. Answer is 1 by 14 liter. Children, if unit is not written, you will not get the full marks. Next is question number 3. How many pieces each? 3 by 4 meter long. 2 and 3 by 4 meter long. Be cut from a string 16.5 meter long. Children, a long string is given to you. Now it is divided into, cut equally into small pieces, each of 2 and 3 by 4 meter. I don't know how many pieces will be there. We have to find it now. Length of the string is 16 and 1 by 2 meter. I have told you, children, for distance you will be writing distance. For length you will be writing length of the string. Like this it goes on. Now second statement is length of each piece to be cut is 2 and 3 by 4 meter. Therefore, number of pieces made 16 1 by 2 meter divided by 2 and 3 by 4 meter. Both meter you strike off. Now it is 16 2s are 32 plus 1 33 by 2 divided by 11 by 4. Now children, double digit once again, 33 by 2 here into division sign is omitted. Now into reciprocal 4 by 11. Now how can you strike off? 2 2s are 4, 11 3s are 33. You are getting 6. And what is the question? How many pieces you can make? Answer, you can make 6 pieces. Don't write 6 liter, 6 meter like these units. Okay, read the question properly before you end up. Now, the next question. Question number 7. Some students height 10 and 1 by 2 kilometer or 10.5 kilometer in 1 and 3 by 4 hours. At the same rate, how far can they hike in 1 hour? Hike means walk a long way. The answer starts like this. In 1 and 3 by 4 hours, they hike 10.5 kilometer. So, in 1 hour they hike 10.5 kilometer divided by 1 and 3 by 4. Change them into improper. 21 by 2 divided by 4 ones are 4 plus 3, 7 by 4 is equal to 21 by 2 into 4 by 7. Now children, now we have to divide. 2 2s are 4, 7 3s are 21, 3 2s are 6. Now children, answer is 6 kilometer. It is asked how much they can hike in 1 hour. Next question is question number 8. 2/3 of a tank. Children, 2/3. 2 by 3. Third, it is cardinal number and it is ordinal. Ordinal number stands for the denominator. 2/3 of a tank can be filled in 17 and 1 by 3 minutes. How many minutes will be required to fill the whole tank, children? Let the whole tank is 1. Once again, we don't know the capacity of the tank. Whether it is 500 liter, 1000 liter, we don't know. That's why we assume that, suppose let the whole tank is 1. 2 by 3 of a tank can be filled in 17 and 1 by 3 minutes. So, 1 full tank can be filled in 17 and 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 3. Children, change it into improper fraction. 17 3s are 51 plus 1 is 52 by 3 into 3 by 2. See, here it is into 3 by 2 reciprocal. Now we will divide. 3 you can cancel. Now, as because 52 is even, we can divide 52 by 2. This is 26. Answer is 26. What is the question? How many minutes will be required? So you write, after solving the question you got 26 minutes. Got it? Now the next. Yes children, now we have come to the worksheet part. I hope my children are smart enough to complete this, but children, I have already given you some hints today, and writing words 13 by 14 as I have told you, 13, 14th, 5, 12th. Actually it is not the way to say 12th, but for your convenience, this is 5, 12, like this you do. See, this is very interesting sum. Question number 4, what's a half of 20? Don't get nervous children. Half means 1 by 2. Of means into. Half. Once again. Half into 20. See. Half of 20. Solve it. Next. Question number 5 is, how many halves are there in 7? Children, half means 1 by 2. 1 by 2, that means 7. In 7, how many halves are there? 7 divided by half. How many quarters? Quarter means 1 by 4. That means how many 1 by 4s are there in 4? You do it yourself. Next sums you can do easily. Now children, 3 by 4 of a dozen. What is the number in dozen? 12. What is the number in score? See question number 12, 4 by 5 of a score. Score means 20. See, I am helping you a lot children. Next, question number 13. Now, question number 13 is, how many times should a unit fraction 1 by 7 be added to get 1? Children, what did I teach you? In multiplication, multiplication is repeated addition. Now he is asking how many times should a unit fraction 1 by 7 be added to get 1. What he will do children? 1 divided by 1 by 7. Last one, the only number which has the same reciprocal as itself is 1. This is for you children. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask the answers or you can complete the answers and show to your concerned maths teacher. Done? Now, today's classwork is, see, it is written over here. Do all the sums of 4D, 4E and 4G in your rough notebook and do all the solved sums of today's class. Whatever I have done in today's class, that you do in your classwork notebook. Okay.